window is crazy.
This one? It looks cool, huh? So you could get this car with this panoramic glass roof, or you could get it completely closed off, which we have done stars in one of these before, all of it, which is kind of cool to have stars in it because it's a 4-seater and like the pillars are actually really thin and narrow, so you get a lot of the glass effect. Almost a full entire red interior, which is amazing. This car is a black on red, which is one of the best specs you could ever get on any car, and it has these really cool yellow horses stitched onto them, so you don't see that often, but it has yellow horses on the headrests. It has yellow calipers, and obviously the yellow emblems. One of the easiest driving Ferraris ever. V12 monster. It could do burnouts on demand. It has a weird shape to it. We all know that. When you lower it on wheels, it significantly changes the ball game on this car. Instantly looks better. All that's missing now is the exhaust system. This is stock exhaust. I'm gonna turn off the start-stop because it's ultra annoying for a Ferrari to turn on and off. So that button up there, which a lot of people don't know where it is, it's up there, and now the engine doesn't stop every time it comes to a red light. Pretty cool Ducati next to this. It's the monster Ducati. Pretty cool. Color theme's nice too. But yeah, this thing's a beast. Like I said, 4-seater, and the back seat is actually like usable. So you could probably fit like a Sarkis back there, and he should be cool. So it has the HRE 501s now on it. 21-22 configuration, Novitec lowering springs. We are on its max setting, so it's slammed as much as we could slam it, and it still drives great. I wish I could slam it a tad bit more, but unfortunately we can't. We want heavy tire in the front. We have to bring it down a little bit, put a 285 tire in the front. We got to put a 275. It is rubbing slightly. We're used to putting 285s on like the SF90s and stuff now, so we tried on this one, but it didn't work. We're gonna have to bring it down the size. But the rear is perfect. Full Novitec carbon fiber kit has been ordered, and it's gonna take probably roughly 6 weeks or so to get it. So we're gonna be adding the full carbon fiber Novitec kit on there, and the exhaust system, and this car is done. GT4 Lusso V12 are in the books. We need gas now, and we're gonna head back to the shop. Lots of traffic in LA, but we're doing our best for you guys.
Nice car?
Yeah, it is. This one is the V12. Better than your car.
It just might be. I have VTEC though.
Another day and more cars. We have this AMG GT53 2022 model that was in a really heavy accident. The insurance took a long time to figure out if they want to total loss it or fix it. They decided to fix it. So we already did actually a lot of the mechanical work. The entire front right side was demolished, put the whole new suspension on there, and now we're getting ready to actually move it so we could do the body work and all that stuff. So it looks kind of pretty now because we changed the whole front end, but it used to be all smashed up. So we're gonna be getting that done. Carlos is gonna move it, and we're gonna get started.
Oh man, this is bad. How come it's sunny in here? There's no windshield, that's why, idiot. Dude, this thing looks so bad. The wheels all bent. I forgot this was here.
This is a brand new one.
That's probably so expensive. How much is this?
Expensive. 4,000 or 5,000.
thousand.
4 or 5,000.
$5,000, and those are just driving it around. It's beautiful. It's just
4K.
What are you doing here? So,
Basically,
break.
what I do right now is adjust
Put in
the grill, do a little things. Secret.
So, me and Luis, all these slats were wrapped
Oh my
black.
God.
They were wrapped gloss black. So we had to remove all the black to install the grill. I helped him. We used the torch.
I
Without it,
recognize
it was
that.
hard.
I recognize today. He helped me.
Shut up. So we removed all the black off these slits in about like 5 minutes, I think. And now it's on there.
But without the gas, how long you gonna take it?
Without the gas, each one will take 10 minutes. So it's like 32 pieces, so it'll take 320 minutes.
Exactly. That's what we're talking about.
Yeah. So he's putting, obviously, the internals of this bumper together. This is the stuff you don't see ever. You see the beautiful bumper on there, but you don't see the back of the bumper. And that's crucial. Because this bumper has a lot of sensors, a lot of light. That's not holding anything.
And a little bit.
Missing the thing. God damn it.
God damn
So,
it.
this is that project where it's all going to be white on the outside. It's a 1016 Industries wide body. And this is that one that was the purple wrap, as you can see. This was the first white on Charles Blue interior Cullinan in the United States. So, full Charles Blue, even the headliner. The headliner is not black. The headliner is Charles Blue, so it looks amazing. But yeah, stay tuned. This Cullinan, probably on the next episode, you will see it completely done. We have the SF90 Spider over there getting worked on, getting sanded and buffed. That baby we let dry really well. It was raining, it was really wet the last couple of days, so we waited for that to dry a tremendous amount. And as you can see, Chiquito here is sanding it before he preps to buff it. So, gonna do that. This one's all gonna come together too. Everything's done, painted. The special wheels unfortunately got delayed. They're coming from overseas, so that should be here soon. But everything else is pretty much done. We just gotta buff it, put it together.
What is this? Continental?
Does speed mean it's like a high-end model?
Yeah.
Do you know that?
No. But I think. Okay, we have this beautiful Bentley Continental. This is actual paint. Now this car looks insane. Along with its crazy interior, I love the whole black and red theme inside. This car's nice. So this car came in here on a tow truck this morning. Customer hit a big pothole, destroyed the right front tire. Luckily, he didn't damage the wheel. So we put a brand new tire on. We did a service on this car as well, oil change filter. It's good to go. He's gonna pick this thing up tomorrow.
Especially yours. Yours smells like fake Paul Gaultier cologne inside, and a mix of cigarettes. It's fake Issey Miyake and cigarettes.
Yeah, I can't. I was looking for that damn thing.
Do you buy your
The
colognes
scent.
from like a swap meet?
No.
No,
Or
that
like an
car.
Armenian store?
Bro, you paid $500 for one of his colognes.
Yeah.
I don't know which one it
It's
is.
bootleg.
What is this, you weirdo?
What?
This is our rap guy. This is exactly why we. Look at him. That's exactly why he needs help. Look, he has a head and he has his beard shrunk from the bottom. Oh, if Vic sees this, he's gonna kill you.
Hey, you like my new emoji face?
Yeah,
Pretty cool,
yeah,
huh?
yeah. This one's cuter than you actually look.
Hey, you don't know how to do that shit, huh?
No, I don't. Yeah, I don't have time like you. Yep, you're rich.
Hey, we removed it already.
Okay, we're gonna come pick it up.
More, all the way forward. More, straight. That's it, perfect. Let me help you, corazón. 10 tons of power.
How much? 10,000 pounds?
10 tons. 10
10
tons.
tons.
Yeah, 10 tons. Oh, jeez. 10 tons. You chop your head.
10 tons, you're done.
You're done.
So if this ever breaks and hits you,
Done.
you're done. Are you gonna get Panda Express tomorrow?
Yes, sir. We do. You and me. Me and you.
Good, you're working hard this week, Carlos. Carlos. You look like the bear from Panda.
Really? Okay.
Yeah.
Hey! Don't forget to subscribe. and like the video. And also, if you have any comments, good or bad, leave it below. All right? So, see you on the next one. Haha.